Have you ever thought about starting an emergency ambulance business? It's a venture that requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a commitment to providing high-quality medical services. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the process. Begin with research and planning. Assess the demand for emergency ambulance services in your area through comprehensive market research. Identify your target market, analyze your competition, and anticipate potential challenges. A well-rounded business plan is crucial, outlining your mission, goals, services offered, and financial projections. Next, navigate the legal and regulatory landscape. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate an ambulance service in your locality. Ensure compliance with state and federal regulations, which include requirements for ambulance equipment, staffing, and emergency medical protocols. Securing funding is another crucial step. Determine your startup costs, which will include the purchase or lease of ambulances, medical equipment, and insurance. Consider various financing options such as loans, grants, or investors to fund your ambulance business. Once funding is secured, it's time to focus on your fleet and equipment. Acquire ambulances equipped with essential medical supplies and life-saving equipment. Ensure that your ambulances meet safety standards and are properly maintained. Staffing and training is another integral aspect. Hire qualified emergency medical technicians and paramedics certified by the National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians. Provide comprehensive training and ongoing education to maintain proficiency in emergency medical procedures and protocols. Don't forget about insurance and liability protection. Obtain liability insurance and malpractice insurance to protect your business, employees, and clients in case of accidents or medical errors. Consult with an insurance agent experienced in the healthcare industry to assess your coverage needs. Establishing partnerships is also beneficial. Forge relationships with hospitals, healthcare facilities, and emergency response agencies to secure contracts for ambulance services. Collaborate with local authorities and emergency management agencies to participate in disaster response and public safety initiatives. Marketing and branding are key to promoting your business. Develop a strong brand identity and marketing strategy. Utilize online marketing channels, networking events, and community outreach programs to raise awareness of your business. An efficient emergency dispatch system is vital. Implement a system to manage emergency calls, coordinate ambulance responses, and track vehicle locations in real time. Invest in communication technology to facilitate communication between dispatchers and ambulance crews. Lastly, focus on quality assurance and continuous improvement. Establish protocols to monitor and evaluate the performance of your ambulance services. Seek feedback to identify areas for improvement and implement best practices in emergency medical care. In summary, starting an emergency ambulance business is a complex process that requires careful planning and execution. This guide has detailed the 10 steps essential to the process: research and planning, legal and regulatory compliance, securing funding, acquiring fleet and equipment, staffing and training, insurance and liability protection, establishing partnerships, marketing and branding, implementing an emergency dispatch system, and focusing on quality assurance and continuous improvement. By adhering to these steps and prioritizing safety and quality, you can create a successful ambulance business that positively impacts your community.